gosh. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 20. Good morning. Hi. My room looks like an absolute mess right now. This is so weird. Waking up in my old room. I don't know. I slept amazing though. Let's go see what my dad is doing. Hi, Seeker. Hi. Morning.
Good morning. You feel like Christmas? Feliz Navidad. I wouldn't mind if I kept.
Brands still send some packages to my Texas house, which I do need to get updated, but I wanted to share how cute these little cases are from Casetify. They were so kind enough to send over a little phone charm. I'm definitely putting this on my phone today. And then these two adorable cases. We've got one with gingerbread and snowman on top, and then this little plaid gingham print. I want this one on my phone right now, so this is gonna go on there. Let's put it on. So right now I currently have this one that I customized, and it just says Manning on it. But we really want to get in the holiday spirit, so we're gonna add this one on. How stinking cute is this? I'm obsessed. I think I want to add my phone charm too. They also customized it and added a charm with the letter C. My dad and I just did a workout. He killed it. How was it?
Good. It's not easy, but it feels good.
So now that we finished that, we're gonna do 30 minutes of cardio. So I'm gonna hit the treadmill and he's gonna do the bike. But yeah, we'll see you after. Just got home from the gym. Look at how cute my little phone case is. I'm actually obsessed with the charm and the case itself. Dad, is this gingham or plaid?
Plaid.
Plaid?
I call it plaid.
My dad always drinks these after he works out, and I've never had it before. But fun fact, when I was younger and I would do gymnastics, I drank muscle milk every single practice, and I literally wanted to vomit after drinking it for a month.
Slay.
Whoa, this is good.
You can get these up there. That one's for Kat.
My sister hates it when anybody says slay. She just thinks that it sounds very uneducated. But I say slay.
Overused.
It is overused, I will admit. Wait, what is this made out of? This is really good.
Really good.
Oh my gosh. This is probably gonna hurt my stomach. It literally has milk in it.
I love it. Love it.
Oh wait, let's show them our Christmas card, Dad. Can you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our Christmas card. Wait, these are so cute. Mom did a good job.
She did.
Caroline is officially an Idahoan. I'm gonna go shower, and then my dad and I are gonna have a fun day together. We're gonna go to the Domain and go shopping, which thank the Lord, because Boise, no offense, love Boise, has terrible stores. There's no Nordstrom, there's nothing there. So when it comes to shopping, the Domain is my favorite place. Yeah, we're gonna go there and then we're gonna get some North Italia. We just ate lunch. Now we're gonna go get coffee. Dad, which one are you getting?
Effing fabulous.
You can call it double F.
Right,
Yes. Hi guys, I just got home from shopping with my dad and we're gonna do a little haul for you guys. So first off, I'm gonna start with Aritzia. We're going to church in about 10 minutes or 5 minutes, so I've got to hurry and do this really quick. But my dad treated me today because Christmas is gonna look a little weird this year, and I'll tell you why later in today's video, but we're not celebrating it on the 25th. We're gonna celebrate it a little late. My dad let me pick out a couple things from Aritzia, so very, very excited and in love with everything that I got. My dad actually picked this one out. This is a black beanie with the TNA symbol on it. It's so cute. And I really like beanies. I just don't know why. I think growing up in Texas, I never wore them, so I wasn't as comfortable with them. But I have a lot at home, and I do wear them when I go to Boise. And then look at how cute this little jacket is. It feels so soft, like the softest blanket you can ever imagine. And the color is perfect. I love light colors with my dark hair. So thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
I went to Brandy Melville and I got a couple of things from there. First, I got this cute little duffel bag. I would say this is a small size, but this is adorable. And I knew I had to get it when I saw it because Brandy Melville's pricing for their products is just unmatched. Then I also got this American flag little canvas bag. I think this is so cute to take to farmers markets, or even if I ever go to the coast, like, I don't know, this just makes me think of the Hamptons or Martha's Vineyard. If I'm ever on the beach, I would totally take this bag with me. And it's just good to have, just to carry stuff in. Then I got this hat. It kind of reminds me of the PacSun Land Rover hats that have been trending, but I really, really like it. It's just a simple ball cap. And then I got these 2 pairs of underwears. I really, really love Brandy Melville underwears. I have 2 right now, and they are just so dainty and just like the cutest things ever. I love, love, love this one. This one's lace. And then the last thing that I got was actually for my dad, and he's gonna put it on right now. So we went to Neiman Marcus and I wanted to get my dad something that would last a while. He picked out a cologne, because it's not perfume. He picked out this cologne from the brand Tom Ford. This is the name. I'm not gonna say it out loud because I don't wanna get demonetized, but yes, this was his favorite scent. And it was also my favorite scent for him. So he's gonna put it on today.
They call it the double F.
The double F. But yeah, the girl, she was nice. She didn't tell us the price though, so we were a little shocked by that.
Yeah.
Colognes are great gifts for dads if you are thinking of a gift to get. Also, guys, Leo ate grass and he was like yakking. Are you okay, honey?
We were worried about him.
We were so worried. Look at how bougie and fancy this looks.
1 shot, right?
You can do 2.
Okay.
So you can, yeah.
Thank you.
Oh my god, that smells so good.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Okay, we're gonna go to church.
Bye.
Hope you enjoyed that haul. Also, look.
Hit like.
My camera's dying. Okay, bye. Oh my gosh. This is a culture shock. Hey guys, I don't know where to look. It's been so long.
Notice.
Have you missed the vlog?
Yeah.
Yes, it's been so boring there. Cassie Sass is back, and we did not win fart vlog. But that guy did. At least I got 3rd place. You got like 4th. Did I really? Yeah, you got like, oh, I thought I got 3rd. No! That's what I got. No. Tomorrow we're working out, and that's honest, guys. That's honest.
Sparkling wood all season, decorating alone this Christmas. Once again, making amends and tying loose ends. Everywhere you go, it smells like peppermint. Another year without someone's sweater. That means no broken hearts this December. Ginger snaps and candy.